Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now, as can you see, we got this like the water circle fingerprint animation, and just if you want to change that, you just should go here into the settings application, scroll down to the biometrics and password. Here tap to the fingerprint ID. If you got here the password, you should enter the password. If you got the pattern, you just should draw the pattern. And here you'll see the fingerprint animation. Just tap there, and here as can you see, we got set it the ripples. You can switch it here to the swirl and to this. So we got here only 4 fingerprint animations like the ripple, swirl, firework, and the planet. For example, we can go with the planet or just to change it to the fireworks. Now just tap here on the right down corner, and now we'll check that. So as can you see, we just changed successfully our fingerprint animation. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.